Hey everybody, this is Danny with MyFigStix. Y'all, something really exciting is happening. Y'all, my brother has decided to get into the fig game. So he has 2.5 acres and we have plenty of room to put some figs in ground. So today we prep the holes. We're going to let all of these settle. We have some rain coming this week, so we're gonna let these settle in, get rained on. We probably will have to top them off. I know they're going to settle, but this is step one of going in ground with some of my fig trees. He asked me about figs and I said, hey, I happen to know somebody that has some fig trees. So here we go. This is step one, y'all. We'll check back later. Today is the day. We are going to put these fig trees in the ground at my brother's house. So if you remember, we prepped all these holes about 3 weeks ago. The soil that we put in is a mixture of potting soil, garden soil, some pine bark nuggets, some sand, some compost. I put all kinds of things in here to amend this. His native soil is mostly red clay. So we tried to dig a much larger hole than what we needed and get that filled up. It has settled. What's going to settle, we're going to add these, add some more soil to it. I'm also going to build these up on a little bit of a mound. So they'll be a little higher than that naturally would be, but we're going to get to work on this and I'll check back with you in just a few minutes. Okay, here's what we've got. This is a Texas everbearing. I just uprooted this one from one of my planters. Worked better than expected. So this guy's got to go in the ground pretty quick. I don't want those exposed roots drying out. And then next we have a green ischia. So this is one, to be honest with you, I don't know where I came by this one, but it's doing really good. This will be, I got it in the fall. I do remember that. I just don't remember where exactly I got it. It is from cutting. Then this one right here, this is actually a tree gifted to me by Jeff. This is a Genovese Nero. And what we're thinking is this is the same as an I-258. So it'll be very interesting to compare a Genovese Nero in ground as compared to my I-258 in a planter. And I got a couple of cuttings right here. This one is a Colonel Littman's Black Cross. So really excited. I've got a couple of these at home that are going to be in planters as well. So it'll be interesting, again, comparing in ground to in the planter. And then this one, this is a Socorro Black. Excited about this one. I have a few of these as well. So these two cuttings have been hardened off. They have been sitting in the sun quite a bit, and so they should be ready to go. So we're going to get to planting these in the holes. All right, so we have got them all in ground. We're going to water them with some Alaska fish fertilizer. I did put in a lot of organics, be it just regular organic fertilizer, bone meal, blood meal. So we've got all of that in there. We got them mounded up just a little bit. We're about to water them in, and then we're going to mulch them really, really well. Actually, we may mulch before we water, but there they are. Once we get everything cleaned up, we'll take one more good look. Okay, and there we go. Texas everbearing. We got them all mulched, watered in. This is a green ischia. Y'all, I am super excited about these. I hope they make it. Genovese Nero. So this is one that is supposed to be just like an I-258. So we're going to find out. Let's see. And this is the Colonel Littman's Black Cross. This one and this Socorro Black were both just simply cuttings. They're doing really good. So I'm super excited. Hopefully all of these will do well. Down there on the end, we have another spot for super special fig. We'll find out about that one a little later, y'all. I will keep checking in on all of these fig trees, these in-ground fig trees, whether they live or whether they die. I will keep y'all informed as the summer goes on. Very excited about it. Follow along, y'all. This will be MyFigStix in ground. So big shout out to my brother. I know I didn't show a lot of us planting all of these. Brother might be a little camera shy, but I am going to keep up with them. Hopefully we will get really great growth out of all of these, and man, do I hope we get some figs from in-ground trees, y'all. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.